Today we have a 2008 Nissan Maxima. We're replacing the right CV axle, aka the passenger side here. I already removed the wheel. This is the axle we'll be replacing. We're going to start off with pretty much freeing up the spindle from the axle. I'm going to try to leave the tie rod here and see maybe we can manipulate this without removing this. I mean, it's just one nut, I just don't feel like dealing with it. So basically we're going to free everything up here. I'm going to remove the caliper, the entire bracket together. It's going to be held in place by two number 19 bolts on the back here. And then from there, I'm also going to remove the speed sensor, number 10, just to get that away so we don't break it. And then remove the two bolts and nuts, 17 and 19 holding down here from the spindle to the strut tower here, or to the strut, sorry. From there, after that, we're going to work on removing this cotter pin and then moving the axle nut and see if we got enough play to get this out of the spindle instead of having to remove this as well. Okay guys, so I went ahead and removed the brake caliper, the whole thing, just the two bolts here, two number, I believe you said 19, sorry, I forgot already. Back here with the ABS sensor, I said it was number 10, it's actually number 12, sorry, I'm so used to number 10s. Just put that to the side there. As you can see, the rotor came off too, doesn't really hold into place with anything. I went ahead and took the cotter pin off here. So I thought about, first thing, and before I even break those two off, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the axle nut first. So from there, I'm going to remove the axle nut with a 32, and then a 17, 19, and then from there, this should be completely freed up. The only thing left is to see if I need to remove this or not, but it's also just one nut, so we'll find out. Then from there, we should be getting ready to take the axle out. Alright guys, so the axle's been separated here. I was able to leave the tie rod there, so just don't worry too much, just kind of push it outward. I actually got a hammer hit it out. Since we're not, doing anything with this, don't have to worry about too much of it. And just kind of angled it out. This comes forward, obviously. So now we're going to go ahead and remove it. I don't think there's a snap ring on the transmission side. I believe it's really just held in by those three number 12s. 1, 2 up there, and number 3 down there. It's like a bracket that kind of holds into place. So we're going to remove those number 12s and then yank it out. So from there, and just in case, I'll put a bucket under, see if any fluid comes out, but not really too much comes out when we do these axles. So 3 number 12s remove, and then just a little yank comes right out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this removed and pop the new one in. Okay, so my axle is now secured back there. No fluid loss, so we're good. This is all tightened down. I went ahead and just kind of angled the axle to go into place here. So I'm gonna go ahead and slap all this back together and we'll be almost done. Okay guys, so strut is reinstalled, axle nut is in. I just hit it with my impact, so torque probably like, I don't know, I'll check it again before we finish up here. Speed sensor's in, just gotta put the rotor and brake caliper on and we'll be almost done, or we'll be actually done. Alright guys, everything has been reinstalled. The torque for this axle nut is 203 foot-pounds, so just FYI there. Everything's back in place. Last thing, throw the cotter pin on and we are done. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, more videos to come.